Tired and frustrated trying to get a movie role? Do you think you have what it takes to become a star? Do you wish to join the celebrity status? This is your opportunity. Nollywood Star Connect Talent Hunt. Talent Hunt never before seen in Nollywood.
My name is Mercy Johnson Okoje.
Junior Pope Odomodo. I represent Nollywood Star Connect.
My name is Choma Akbota.
Longinus Anokute, aka Chief Imo.
Prince Mwafo.
This is your favorite girl Rachel, aka Nkoli Mwansuka. Speak Lekwe.
We're talking about
the Nollywood Star Connect. Nollywood Star Connect is the place to connect with
wonderful people. The best group to follow.
It's a talent hunt that is organized by industry practitioners, credible marketers and producers.
Nollywood Star Connect.
It's a talent hunt like no other.
Give them all the support and encouragement.
This is the right place to be.
Connect in time.
Nollywood Star Connect, powered by pioneers and famous Nollywood marketers, producers and directors, endorsed by Nollywood stars. Nollywood Star Connect, be the marketer's choice. Nollywood Star Connect, the star makers. Nollywood Star Connect, bringing out the star in you and showcasing your talents to the world. To obtain your registration form and more information, visit our website www.nollywoodstarconnect.ng or contact us via our social media handles. You'll be happy you're a part of it.